Thanks, Hallie. Children are back in school and desks made for them may be hard to find. And the kitchen table may not be the best place for children to sit every day. Here with some advice is Adam Haymore from Closets by Design Detroit. Thank you so much for joining us, Adam.
You are welcome. Good morning.
Good morning. So there may be a delay in desks. I know that because ours is back ordered until next month. So you're actually making custom desks?
Yeah, so we've always been a customized furniture company where we do all types of spaces, from home offices to workspaces to desks and customized furniture. With the rush of, the need for desks kind of now, a lot of retailers have been out. And like you said, you're on back order. So we've kind of gone towards a little different direction where we wanted to offer some sort of solution. And we came up with kind of a grab and go desk that you can take just to make sure that you are getting some great functionality and a beautiful work desk. But it's not something that maybe you have to wait for. Or it's not the customized piece of furniture that you really need at the moment. So we still are doing our traditional way where we can come into your home and design an entire work office where maybe you have an angled wall or a corner desk you're looking for. But then in the meantime, to kind of help alleviate some of the concerns and help guys offer a solution, we have started taking these, which are kind of grab and go desks, which we've offered. So we now have these available for pickup. They come in 6 different colors. We're doing 3 solids and 3 wood grains. And the best part about it is they come with almost no assembly required. So the great thing is the bank of drawers and the cubbies are already built for you, and all you have to do is put the screws on for the countertop. So very easy to transport home, and also doesn't require giving up a Saturday to read directions and put together a desk. So trying to help out where we can and offer some sort of solution if there is.
And that sounds very tempting. How much is that? How much does that desk go for?
So everything does range based on how many drawers you have or the colors or the different countertops that you have because, we can customize it. This one for the grab and go right here is going for $4.99. And the other great thing about this is because of the material we use is such a high grade, you never have to worry about it not holding up or the durability. If you're right on it, you're not going to see the lines transparent through or the dents or things like that in the countertop. So it definitely will last for the entire duration of not just the school year, but most children's whole educational year.
So let me ask you this. Why is it so important to have a desk for the children versus them trying to do their work at the kitchen table and other places in the house?
Sure. So, it's hard to stay organized if you never get organized. So the one thing that we think is best is finding a place where it really is your workspace. If you know where everything is staying and you keep all your stuff in a controlled environment just for work, it's a lot more easy to focus. It's less, if you're moving from room to room, one day you're in the kitchen, one day you're in the living room, then the next time you're looking for something, you kind of got to go, where could that have been? And you're searching the whole house. And at a time where we want our kids to be focused and learning, often, we want to alleviate any stress and any, panic that could kind of come into place. So we tend to find that if something has a home, it stays in a home. I mean, most of the time, you're not running around your house looking for where the coffee pot is because you know where it goes. So we like to believe that if you put a separate space aside and say, this is where all my work stuff is going to go, and you make it, that's where the learning happens and the working takes place, and it'll tend to kind of stay there and stay much more organized. Spend more time focused on really developing and, learning rather than kind of getting reorganized every day.
Yeah, it's really important to have their own space because already this week of Zoom calls, we hear parents yelling and we can hear it when the kids don't have it muted. So definitely make sure your child has their own space. Quickly, we're running out of time. What other things do you think that we need and how can viewers get in touch with you?
So we have, we offer this and you can call us or you can visit us online. Our number is 1-800-BY-DESIGN, or you can find us on the web at closetsbydesign.com. We also have a showroom in Oxford, Michigan. Everything is Michigan made here. So if you want to come in at the showroom, we'd be happy to show you around for a tour. Or if you have more needs than just the kind of grab and go desk, feel free to call us. We'd love to send an experienced designer out to your home to give you a full free consultation and a customized space so you can get organized.
All right. Thank you so much, Adam, from Closets by Design Detroit. We'll have more information on our website at WXYZ.com. Have a great day. We'll be right back.
Thank you.